Gravity is a fundamental force of nature that affects everything in the universe. It is the force that holds planets in orbit around stars and keeps galaxies together. Gravity is also responsible for the formation of black holes, which are some of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe. In this script, we will explore the concept of gravity, its history, and its role in the universe. The history of gravity. The concept of gravity has been around for a very long time, but it was not until the 17th century that it was formulated into a mathematical equation. The English scientist Sir Isaac Newton is credited with developing the law of gravity, which states that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Newton's law of gravity was a groundbreaking discovery, and it provided a way to explain the motion of planets around the sun. Prior to this discovery, people believed that the planets were held in place by some divine force or that they were simply moving around the sun in a circular path. Newton's law of gravity showed that the planets were in fact moving in an elliptical orbit around the sun, and that this motion was due to the force of gravity. The nature of gravity. Gravity is a fundamental force of nature, but it is also the weakest of the four fundamental forces. The other three fundamental forces are the strong nuclear force, the weak nuclear force, and the electromagnetic force. Gravity is unique among these forces because it affects everything with mass, whereas the other forces are only active on a subatomic level. The nature of gravity is still not completely understood, and it remains one of the biggest mysteries in physics. According to the theory of general relativity, gravity is the curvature of spacetime caused by the presence of massive objects. This theory has been confirmed through numerous experiments, but it is still not fully understood. The effects of gravity. Gravity has numerous effects on the universe, ranging from the small scale to the large scale. On the small scale, gravity is responsible for the motion of objects on Earth. It causes objects to fall when dropped, and it holds us to the surface of the planet. Without gravity, we would simply float away into space. On a larger scale, gravity is responsible for the motion of planets around stars, and stars around galaxies. It is the force that holds galaxies together and keeps them from flying apart. Without gravity, the universe would be a very different place. Gravity also plays a crucial role in the formation of black holes. Black holes are formed when a massive star collapses in on itself, creating a singularity with a gravitational pull so strong that nothing can escape it, not even light. The existence of black holes is one of the most fascinating and mysterious aspects of the universe, and they continue to be a subject of intense research and study. Conclusion. Gravity is a fundamental force of nature that affects everything in the universe. It is responsible for the motion of planets around stars, stars around galaxies, and the formation of black holes. While much is still unknown about the nature of gravity, it is clear that it plays a crucial role in the universe as we know it. Through continued research and exploration, we may one day unlock the secrets of this mysterious force and gain a deeper understanding of the universe in which we live.